Hi everyone, for today's Figma quick tip, I'll show you how to use the component properties. So I have this button here, as you can see, with a label in it, and also this icon, placeholder icon, which is a component itself. Now we have four types of component properties: variant, boolean, instance swap, and text. So let's get started with the text option. Since I have this label inside my button component here, I can select it. If I scroll down a bit, I have this content option here and also a component property, which is the text property that I mentioned. So let's click on this. So let me change this name to label, and I'll keep the value as button. Create property. Now, if I create an instance of this button, when selected, I can change the button name without clicking through the layers. Label. The button changes accordingly without me having to click in the text element itself. Now, let's go to the instance swap property. For this one, I'll use the icon, and I'll look here for the component option, and I have the same symbol here to create an instance swap property. When I click it, icon, and the value set to placeholder, and I'll create this property. Now what I can do is, when I create an instance, see here the drop down with the icons available without me having to click through the layers once again. So let me change this to a star, for example, and there you go. Let me just change this to white and keep it the same style. Let's see how the boolean property works. For this one, I'll use once again my icon, so I'll select it, and here, using the layer element, the same icon here, now I can create a boolean property. So for this one, I'll name show icon and set the value to true and create property. Once I create an instance here, as you can see, I have this toggle button now with the show icon property, and when I switch it on and off, it will show and hide my icon without me having to create different variants for this one. And the most common one is the variant property, which you should use for more structural changes in your component. So for example, in my button here, I can either right click on it, main component, and add variant, or even with the component selected in the properties, I can hit this plus button and add this variant here. So I'll add a variant now. I can rename the properties such as status, for example, and make this hover. And I'll change the color to a darker blue. When I have an instance of the component, I can switch between different status by using this dropdown. So these are the options for component properties. You can either change an instance, the whole instance. You can change the label. You can either hide or show an element, such as an icon, for example, here. And also change the component in it with this icon. So that's it about component properties and for this Figma quick tip. I really hope it helps you with your workflow. Let me know in the comments if you have any doubts, and don't forget to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thank you very much, and bye bye.